Hey guys, so welcome to today's video. I'm going to show, as you can see like my screen, I'm going to show you the store and everything, and this is my first time, so guys, sorry for like anything, like if I do something wrong or something happens, if I don't explain well, it is my first time, and like, yeah, so guys, basically like I took this store from zero to $110,000 in 25 days, so we reached 102K yesterday, but like I wanted to make six figures to put this seven figures in Swedish crowns to like make this video live. But yeah, we just like in the morning we reached like 1 million Swedish crowns. It's like around $112,000 or something like that. So yeah, that's why I'm posting this video. As you can see my screen today, we are around almost 5K, I guess, but you can change, like you can put this currency from Swedish to USD and you can see how much it is currently. But I'm going to show you like that this is under like 25 days or something like that. So we started on 6 April, as you can see here, to today. Today is the 26 days. So we can see here's 1 million Swedish crowns, almost, yeah, maybe more. But yeah guys, this is like in under like 30 days. As you can see, like nothing is impossible. My returning customer is 15%, and like they say, like if it's 10% it's great. So I get my customers back from email marketing, and my like store conversion rate is almost at 6%, and I could like make this higher because at the first 2 weeks of the store, like I didn't optimize the store, and after the third or fourth week I did it, and like my revenue just doubled like in everything when I did that. It's like, guys, like I'm telling you, like small details make the biggest difference. So I tested a lot of things in my landing page, in ads, creatives, everything, test, and I just found what is working, like I started dropshipping like 2 months. I started this YouTube channel 2 months ago, and 1 month before that I just was consuming data about dropshipping, everything, like trying to teach myself. And like guys, like it's been crazy. Like in 3 months I was able to, like, this is my fourth store. Like other three store failed, but was the fourth one, and like did like over 100K in 25 days, guys. So nothing is impossible, you just have to listen well, because everything you need is in YouTube. Everything you need, like content you need, is you need to just to listen and like little bit be smart about it, and you can make it. But if you have any question for me, you can leave down below, or message me on my Instagram at Ramtin Hassanlo. I'm going to leave it down below. But guys, as you can see, like down, like this is like, you can see the date here. You can see like 1 million Swedish crowns. That's a lot of money. Like it's crazy, and it's 25 days. So this is the store actually. So I can show you like yesterday how much we did. We did around 9K yesterday, as you can see here. 9K, and day before that you can see 40%. Day before that you can see today my conversion was 7% almost, and you can see 182 season converted. But this is not true, since I'm having reconvert, post purchase, upsell as well, so it doesn't count that. So that day I was around 220 like on average. Yes, you can see here 182, and you can see 212 total orders. So that's what I was talking about. But I'm going to show my ads manager right now. So here is my ads manager, as you can see. So I'm going to remove this. I'm going to show you today. And since, like guys, as you can see here, it doesn't show anything here because I'm sorry, because like I'm using some of the attributions are like only 7-day click, because I'm using value-based optimization instead for conversion. So it doesn't show up everything. So I have to do this instead. I have to come here and then choose, yes, attribution settings, as you can see here. No, yes. As you can see here, today my ROAS is 314. Like I'm like around 60% profit margin. I spent $1,000 to get back $5,000 today only, and I can show you my KPIs. Here's my KPI sheet. So my average order value is around $42. My average cost of goods include shipping is $7. And my profit target is 40%, like not 20% or something like that. So as you can see, my break-even ROAS is 1.25, and I have all this because I have put this. You can't put this only when you have past data, and this is not accurate because like this is for last week data. So yeah, guys, this is not accurate anymore. But like we only need this one, this one, this one, and this one. And so as you can see, like my break-even ROAS is 1.25. My ROAS for 40% profit is 2.49, guys. So as you can see, like today I'm 3.40, so I'm 60% profit at the moment only today. So I can show you, like, if I put this 15, 3, bro, guys, like you can see 3.3 and I'm 3.4, so I'm around 55% profit today. As you can see, like, and this is after the launch of the iOS, guys, and I can show you the lifetime, like in past couple of days, like, as you can see from 28th to today. My ROAS is 3. I have spent $11,000 to get back 35. So as you can see, like I still like optimize everything, and like I'm way above 40% profits. And if I show you like the lifetime, you can see here the lifetime is 2.40. So in the lifetime I'm around 40% profit margin. But like, because since, like you can see here, spent $46,000 to get back 111. And guys, like, this is my first time doing this, and you can see I'm running all these campaigns, everything, like, and this number is only for my conversion campaigns, not value based. I have value based as well. I can show you 7-day click, and if I show you the difference comes up, like here $2,000 as well. So my ROAS is around 245, because if I put them both together, as you can see, nothing shows up because the attributions aren't the same, guys. So yes, so I'm on 40% profit at the moment, and like the reason is that because the first week and the second week I was testing creatives and everything, and my ROAS was around 210. Yeah, and I wasn't that profitable that I wanted to be. Like I was around 30% profit, and that was too little for me. So yeah, guys, I tried to get it up, as you can see here, like the ROAS. If you're going to count it with 7-day click, it's gonna be like 2.5, something like that. And Facebook like not always shows the data right, like it's always 20% down or 20% up. So I believe, like, sorry guys, my dad was interrupting me, like he came, like, interrupted me, like he called my name, so I had to pause the video. So guys, yeah, so where were we? Yeah, attribution settings. So yeah, guys, basically that's what's been happening, you know. This is like the results in 25 or 6 days. As you can see the date in here, so everything is as it is. And yeah, guys, so yeah, we did a little bit more right now. I'm going to refresh the page so you can see I'm not bullshitting you or anything. Yeah, guys, so this is it, you know. So if you have like any question, you can ask me in my Instagram or leave a comment down below. But basically, like, everything that I said in my YouTube channel, that's what I basically did, you know. Nothing so special, guys. So guys, I hope this video shows you like nothing is impossible, you know. The gurus that tell you like it takes a long time, I believe like it's maybe because they want you to like buy their course or programs to take a longer time for you. But like, it didn't take a long time for me. But you shouldn't like compare yourself to anybody because you're on your journey. And that's what I did. Like, as soon as you start comparing yourself to somebody else, you're losing, you know. So you have to have the right mindset. Like, I'm happy like I have this result, but I did, like, if I didn't get this result, I'd still be doing this because I love it. Like, I love the process, you know. And yeah, guys, that's basically it. I hope you all have a great weekend, and I see you guys in the next video, I guess. Yeah.